So I'm replacing my sprinkler valve. So what happened is it's broken here, as you can see right there. So we went up to 82 degrees last time, and the following day the weather went down to around 15 degrees. So what happened is that we had some water in here. So with the temperature going down to 15 degrees from 82 degrees, so everything got frozen out there, and you know, the ice, dilatation, and so on broke this valve. So I have to replace it. This is the job I'm doing right now. So I took it out right there. This is the old one here. So I took out the old one, and this is broken. We can't use it anymore. Maybe I will, keep the other parts, but not this one. It's broken. And so this is the new one that I'm going to replace here. So this one has a straight and an angle. So I'm gonna use it as this one. See right there. So this is angled, the valve. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna seal here, close it, so the water doesn't go there, and then I have to use this part here, which is angled. Okay, I'm gonna continue doing this work right here. This is it. I didn't the solenoid. This one I didn't have to replace it, so I don't have to rewire anything. I just took the new one off, which is here. The new one is right here. I didn't use the new one. I used the head, the solenoid of the other one. So I can make things easy. So I need to, get some tools to further screw this one, and